All right, today's date is February 10th, 2022. In Wilbarger County, Texas, I call cause number 24917 in the interest of the Fennell children. What says the state?
The state is ready, Your Honor.
Ms. Ware is appearing for the Attorney General's office. Also present by audio and video is Brandon Fennell. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, I am.
All right. The court's file reflects that Julie Guerra was served with notice of these proceedings back on January 4th of 2022. The return of service has been in the court's file in excess of 10 days, and there's no further answer or appearance on behalf of Ms. Guerra. This hearing was set for 10:30, and it's now approximately 10:35, so we are proceeding to default. You may call your first witness, Ms. Ware.
Your Honor, the state, sorry, now I have a frog in my throat. The state calls Brandon Fennell.
Mr. Fennell, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Mr. Fennell, would you please state your full name for the record?
Brandon Scott Fennell.
Okay, and you're the father of the two children in this case, correct?
That's correct.
And the mother, Julie Guerra, is currently ordered to pay you child support of $276.27 for two children and $75 a month medical support. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and that's from an order stemming from 2019, correct?
That's correct.
Do you agree with the state's records that Ms. Guerra owes you a child support arrearage as of January 31st, 2022 of $2,239.17?
Yes.
Are you requesting that the court grant a judgment in that amount against Ms. Guerra and order her to repay that judgment at $75 a month beginning the 1st of March of 2022?
Yes.
Do you also agree with the state's records that Ms. Guerra owes you a medical support arrearage as of January 31st, 2022 of $671.26?
Yes.
Are you requesting that the court grant a judgment in that amount against Ms. Guerra and order her to repay the judgment at the rate of $25 a month beginning the 1st of March of 2022?
Yes.
Okay. How are the two children insured for medical insurance?
And they have Aetna through my employer.
Okay, and also you're providing dental and vision, correct?
That's correct.
And we figured out earlier that $130 a month can be attributed, $281.66 a month can be attributed to the children of that cost, correct?
That's correct.
And are you requesting that the court order Ms. Guerra to for you to provide the health and dental insurance to your employer and order Ms. Guerra to reimburse you on a certain amount?
That's correct.
Okay. And I've explained to you that under the minimum wage presumption, the maximum that the court could order her to reimburse you is $113, correct?
That's correct.
And that's what you're requesting, that the court order her to reimburse you per month, even though that's much less than your actual cost.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Also, we've discussed a child support modification because Ms. Guerra does have one other minor child living with her and is ordered to pay child support for two other children. And based on the minimum wage presumption, her child support should be modified to $196 a month for two children with an amount of $152 a month once the first child emancipates to start February 1st of 2022. And you are also in agreement with that, correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And I've also explained to you that I'm going to request that the court order a non-disclosure finding of Ms. Guerra's personal information, so it won't be in the order because she's having a family violence issue with someone else other than you. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
You don't have an objection to the court ordering that and keeping her personal information out of the court order, do you?
No, I do not.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to tell the court I have not asked you about?
No, that's all.
Okay. Your Honor, the state requests that our financial activity report, which contains Ms. Guerrero's arrearage records, be marked as State's Exhibit 1 and entered into evidence.
Marked as states number 1 and admitted.
With that, Your Honor, the state rests and
All
closes.
right. Based on the evidence and the testimony before me, then I am granting the requested judgments for both child support and medical support and ordering the payouts as requested to start March 1st of 2022. I'm ordering Mr. Fennell to continue to carry the children on his medical insurance and for Ms. Guerra to reimburse him $113 per month for a portion of that medical insurance expense. If there are any medical bills not covered by the insurance, then each parent will pay half. I'm also granting the request for modification of the child support starting March 1st of 2022. And I'm going to assess court costs against Ms. Guerra due March 1st of 2023. Is there any relief I need to address?
Your Honor, is the court granting the request for the non-disclosure finding of Ms. Guerrero's information?
I am.
Okay.
All
Then I believe
right.
that's all, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Ware is going to prepare that order for my signature and I will sign off on it.
Okay.
There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Byrd. He'd start over and make his own decision. But if nobody requests that new hearing within the time period, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy by regular mail or by email within about 2 weeks. If you don't get one, Mr. Fennell, please call the Wichita Falls AG's office and remind them to send you one, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much for appearing today, Mr. Fennell. Good luck to you.
You're welcome.
Emily.
Thank you.
All
Thank you.
right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.